How to do seated chin tucks. 1. Sit tall. Sit on a sturdy chair with your feet flat on the floor. Keep your back straight and shoulders relaxed, not slouched. 2. Starting position. Look straight ahead. Keep your jaw level. Avoid looking up or down. 3. Movement. Slowly draw your chin straight back, as if making a double chin. Imagine your head sliding backward, not tilting up or down. 4. Hold. Maintain this tucked position for 5 seconds. Keep breathing normally. Don't hold your breath. 5. Release. Relax and return your chin to the starting position. Reps and sets. Perform 10-12 reps per set. Complete 2 to 3 sets, resting 30-60 seconds between sets. Tips for best results. Keep your eyes and jaw relaxed. Don't clench teeth. Your head should move backward, not downward. Shoulders stay loose and down. Don't let them creep upward. You can place a finger on your chin to gently guide the motion.